type of shit.
That's why I like it.
Yeah.
Dude, I literally just be chilling at home.
Are you a security guy?
Yeah, man. What's up?
Are you a security guy? I know that. I see that one.
Not Halloween yet.
You know, you a security guard too? Security guard too?
Yeah.
When I have a problem, nobody they gave it to me and they helped me, you know.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh.
What that thing? When I have a problem, nobody, you and you, nobody, they help me about that.
We got it. We got it.
Okay, the thing is, you know my friend, I am, you know why? I am in here this 42 years. 42.
What you coach? What sport? What
I
sport?
am the coach. I am the coach for
Soccer? Wrestling? Wrestling?
I am the coach for soccer team.
Soccer.
Soccer team, you know.
Yeah, no, I was asking so I could find out.
I am, you know why? Hey, my friend.
You
know
got
why?
that. You got it.
Hey, my friend. You know why? I am respect for the people. You know, you and you, I am respect for the one. But you know why? I am serving my old country. I am a military servant in 1976 and 1978. 1976 and 1978. I am the hard. Epa, but give me a hand, you know. You know what? My friend, even to my coach, tu parles português?
No, only English.
Only English.
Yeah, sorry.
I am a military servant from my old country. 1978, 1978, 1976, and 1978. 2 years. You know what? Epa, I am a gun with me. I am a gun with me. I am everything. I have this, I have this, I have that, you know. You know what? Caralho, foda. E vocês não sabem nada. E vocês não sabem nada. Epa, I am a military servant, you know. Nobody they play with me. You know that? What I said to me? Nobody they play with me. I am a military servant.
Respect.
I am this one. Hey, caralho. I am, no, I am go home.
Have a safe night. Be safe.
What I have this one, I put this, I am karate. I am a karate man, you know. I have this papa. Hey, karate. Hey, pa.
Showing us his karate.
You know what,
man.
hey, my friend.
Yo, what is his name?
Hey, my friend, you know what?
It's like a
Have a good night.
a drink, a little bar.
You know
I'm not
what?
sure. I think it's reasonable.
Nobody that play with
It's
me.
reasonable. It's like in the middle.
I am a karate man. I kill you right now. I kill you right now. I am a karate man, you know. Nobody that play with me. I am a military servant. Nobody that play with me, karate. Nobody. Do you know what? What I said to you? Karate, you told them. Do you know what?
Testosterone's flowing.
Today I kill you in a second. I kill you in a second. I am a karate man. I kill you. I kill you in a second. You know. Do you know why?